G28 Robotics is a community-based robotics team in the Metro Atlanta area that we started with our main sponsor, StartProto, in order to try to bring engineering opportunities to this area and different students who are interested into it. We started around the summer, so we had a pretty good start to get started on things. And the game recently got revealed, so we've all been pretty much going to work and just starting to design, build, and start putting everything together to hopefully do pretty well at competitions.
There was a new game that came out recently. This year's first robotics competition. We've been working hard at creating a design that we think is very competitive.
One of our biggest things is bringing manufacturing into the 21st century. The only way that we can bring manufacturing into the 21st century is if we're training the students in sort of that next generation to be familiar with the tools, familiar with the technology, the industry. And so we are trying to do that at StartProto to really make sure that we're addressing the full mission, not just with the software, but also with the people at play, and make sure that we're sort of bringing everyone forward.